City Police Department would like to remind you that backpacks and other large containers are subject to random search by the police. Thanks for riding with us. Hello. Our subway improvement projects take place on weekends and during the midday and overnight hours. While we're working, subway service may be delayed or interrupted. To plan ahead, check mta.info, call 511.